Hi, welcome to Moms on the Go. We appreciate you guys taking time to watch our videos. So, we're doing a product review on this Queen Helen cocoa butter hand and body lotion. This lotion has been around for years. You can probably ask your grandma. She probably used this. This was like one of the first things, lotions, probably before a lot of the other lotions came out. I mean, it's been around forever. So it's really good. It has cocoa butter, of course. It's cocoa butter lotion. It says it soothes and softens. It comes in this big, I need my glasses, I think 14-ounce container. It smells just like coconuts. Oh my gosh. Take the top off. Oh, smell. You smell? It smells really good. And I have another one. This one's almost empty, but I have another one that I just purchased at Walmart. This is pretty reasonable, maybe $5 or something like that. Not very much, and this lasts forever. And you can, use it for everything. So I just put a little bit in. When I get out of the shower, I usually use it. You can put it on your hands, your arms. You can put it in your purse, inside like a little container. Get my hands there, and it's not greasy at all, so you're not gonna like grease up everything when you put this on. Just make sure you rub it in real good, and it's not thick, but it makes your hands smell so good. And again, it lasts forever. Again, it's I don't know. There's a bunch of stuff on here. I don't really know what it says, but I just wanted to tell you guys about this because I really like it. My family will use it as well. We've been using it for years. My grandparents used it. I've always seen Queen Helen around the house. So if you're ever at Walmart and you want to pick this up, do so because it's really good. I don't know a whole lot about it, but it says intense moisture. So it has intense moisture, so it puts the moisture back into your skin. If you have stretch marks, cocoa butter is good for stretch marks. Make sure that when you get out the shower, always use some type of moisturizer. This is a good one to use. Put it on your legs, your hips, your buttocks, your knees, anything you want to moisturize. If you want to put this, on your kids, as long as they don't have allergies or anything like that, because I don't know that this would ever break anybody out, but, just be wise and, do what you need to do. But this is good pretty much for the whole family. So I recommend it. I'm not being paid to say this. So if you guys like it or if you've used it before, make sure you comment and let us know if you've used Queen Helen products before. I don't know what other products they have because I've always used the cocoa butter hand and body lotion. So I don't know of anything else. Oh yeah, and it also makes your hands, it feels soft so you don't have rough hands. And you always want to moisturize to make sure your skin doesn't start, because eventually we all get older and eventually, your skin can start to crack and you don't want that to happen. So you want to always make sure that you have lotion in your purse. You can just buy a little small container, empty container at the dollar store and put some of the lotion in there and just keep it in your purse or your car. Just make sure it doesn't get hot in the car. It might burst everywhere. And just keep your skin hydrated no matter what. You always want to take a shower, dry off, and then, put some kind of moisturizing lotion on after you get out of the shower, or if you take a nice hot bath. Cocoa butter is like one of the better things to do because it helps the elasticity in your skin and in your hands and everywhere. So I don't put it on my face though. So I only have certain lotion I put on my face, but from here down, I may put this, this lotion, because cocoa butter is really good. And I always tell my kids to, and they've used it. My son, surprised me. He came back from college, and I saw that he had a bottle of this, so he uses it as well, because when you see something used in your household, you probably pass that down. And he's been using that as well. So really good thing to have around the house. And it smells terrific. I wish you guys had a smelling thing there. Let me try it again. You can smell it. So it smells good. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And go out and get you some of this Queen Helene cocoa butter. At Walmart, they usually have it like as soon as you walk in, kind of by the makeup aisle. Not makeup, but facial lotion aisle. It's usually sitting right there in the front. But since the coronavirus and all that, I think they moved a lot of stuff. So they moved it onto a back shelf, and I'm not sure why, but I was able just to go in that little section where they have the facial cleansers and all that, and they were right there on the bottom shelf. And again, it's probably no more than $5-6. Who knows, maybe it's $3 something. I don't know. I don't have my receipt with me, but it's not that much, but it is good. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Go get you some Queen Helene.